Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the Sony ULT FIELD free speaker and I'm going to tell you how you can easily enable or disable auto software updates, and if yes, how you can easily manage them. So at first we have to enter the Sony SoundConnect application where you can download this application in the App Store or the Play Store, and in the application we have to scroll down to the device settings here. Now system, and here as you can see at the bottom of this menu we can see download software automatically. We can either disable that and enable that using a single switch. Here we have, if we click on this here list, we can see that here we have two options: the always download automatically or download automatically only when connecting via Wi-Fi, and we can switch between these two. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.